this video is just going to quickly demonstrate exactly what ChatGPT is. So for those of you who are not aware, it's basically artificial intelligence. So how can we use it in education? Well, for example, it's quite clear right now that young people are already using this. I can type into this, write me a 500 word essay on the impact World War One had on World War One had on Scotland. And all I do is press return, and it will literally give me an essay that is completely brand new, isn't plagiarised in any shape or form, and it's given me this. Now, I could turn around and say, I don't like the conclusion, change it. And it will change the conclusion for you. You can notice I didn't even spell conclusion right, and it's revising the conclusion. And I can basically adapt this to anything I want. However, so this is how pupils are using it. Pupils are using it all the time to write essays constantly. However, we can use it to our advantage as well. For example, I could write, turn this into a lesson plan with clear learning intentions and success criteria, as well as planned questions, and make sure you are embedding meta skills, for example, skills to this lesson. I also have iPads for all the pupils, and I would like this plan to be creative. Now, I've even done some spelling wrong, but let's do this. And as you can see, it's just turned around and developed me a lesson plan based on basically based on the 500 word essay that I just created. Now I can look at this and I can turn around, I don't like this, I don't like that. Can you make this shorter? Can you make this shorter? And yeah, can you make it shorter? I only teach them for 50 minutes, and it will turn around and completely change it again. Now, I could also, if I wanted, create a rubrics assessment grid in table format, and it will turn around and it will create a rubrics assessment grid completely for this. There we go. Don't worry, it will change it all. Don't know what it's doing just now. So that was a wee. Let's try that again. So don't like that response. So just click generate response, and it will do the grid. There we go. There's an example of a grid. It's going to be a bit funny at the moment, but you get the picture, and that is how we create lessons for, and there's a variety of different things that this can do. This is only the tip of the iceberg.